Have you ever wondered what would happen if the world suddenly stopped producing oil and gas and how it would impact you? There'd be no more fuel for transportation. But that's okay, because we are switching to electric modes of transportation, right? Here's the thing, you'd be amazed how dependent on petroleum we actually are. In fact, thousands of products we use every day would no longer be available since oil and gas byproducts are required for their production. Those smartphones we rely on every day. Yeah, phone manufacturing and most forms of technology also require petroleum. With no phones to keep most of us busy, at least we'd have our favorite sports to entertain us, right? Not really. Everything from balls, golf clubs, and even sneakers need petroleum during production. Makeup, toothpaste, deodorant, shampoo, clothing, pencils, pens. You guessed it, they all rely on petroleum to exist. There are also many products and services that keep us alive and healthy that require petroleum and petroleum byproducts. This includes most medicine, medical equipment, and emergency transportation. Even our renewable technologies of today and those of the future require the production of oil and gas to exist. See those electric vehicles everyone is talking about? Well, the plastics and materials used for their production require petroleum byproducts. It's what keeps them light and efficient. Wind turbines, solar panels, they all rely on petroleum byproducts to exist. Here's the point. Even with a significant growth in renewables, all source of energy, including oil and gas, will be required to meet global energy demand and the production of these important everyday products. But where should this oil and gas come from? Did you know the carbon intensity per barrel of oil produced offshore Newfoundland and Labrador is one of the lowest in the world? Not only does our offshore industry have stronger standards for environmental protection, employment, and occupational health and safety, it also supports many families and businesses right here at home. We understand that one day we may not heavily rely on oil and gas as an energy source, but that day is still a long ways away. There is still so much more that oil and gas can do to responsibly contribute to our modern way of life, support our energy transition, and provide a bright future for our province. Learn more at oilandgascareerinfo.ca.